Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off alarm ringtone in our Redmi phone. Friends, you want to off your alarm ringtone setting, so you can off it in your Redmi phone. And friends, now let's see how to turn off alarm ringtone in a Redmi phone. Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video, friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like my video. Then we will on our phone setting to off alarm ringtone. Then guys scroll it. As you can see guys your sound and vibration setting. Friends, click on your sound and vibration setting guys. Tap here. Guys, click on your alarm ringtone setting guys. Tap here. Then click on your all ringtone setting guys, and once you can see your alarm ringtone settings, so when you can see your default ringtone and do not set ringtone, so you want to off, so guys click on your do not set ringtone setting. So when we will click on your do not set ringtone guys, come back, and friends you can see alarm ringtone is silent, means no option, there is no any alarm ringtone in your Redmi phone, so your alarm ringtone will off in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye.